Right, I'm gonna make a quick video about how I am planning to repair my laptop's speakers. Since you can see this is the driver from the B031TU Sleekbook, so it's rattling and doesn't seem to have an edge at all the speaker surroundings have gone off with time since this is an ancient machine. So I just figured out a way. It's quick, easy, cheap, and at the same time extremely dirty to fix the speaker and make it work like it should. So first thing you need is just take off your laptop just like this. Take off the top cover, and you can see I have exposed the speaker. Up to this point you can open it up and expose the drivers, and then simply get this, something similar to this as well, or if you have the same thing, that's fine as well. It's a gum called multibond, where you can use it to repair shoes, things like that, and it's very pliable and it has an elasticity when it dries. So what I'm going to do is simply open it up, get a wee bit of that gum. It's like kind of like honey, you can see, and just carefully dump it around the edge like this. So it creates some kind of membrane to work as the surroundings of the speaker or the edge. Right, I will do it because it's very difficult to do it with one hand. So that's how you should do it. And I just did this speaker and it sounds pretty fine. I mean, it works. So you see here I did it halfway and I need both my hands to complete. So why not give it a try, and it will be a cheap fix for your broken laptop speaker. Once I'm done fixing it, I'll put all the covers back in and play some music and try to upload another video. Right, thank you guys. If there's any questions, feel free to put it on comments. And yeah, you guys gotta ignore my English because it's not my mother tongue, so my English sucks, but I hope this helps. Thanks. Here's the laptop after fixing all the enclosures and covers, and here goes after the repair. I'm gonna play some Led Zeppelin. Volume is somewhere around here. I'm gonna put this. Not bad at all for a cheap repair like this. This old Sleekbook. Okay. So, yep, it's successful. Both the drivers are working perfectly fine. Alright, I have put everything back together. The laptop is completely fixed, the old laptop, and I think the speaker repair is very successful. So I'm gonna play this video from Aurora and you can hear it by yourself. Both the speakers are working with the glue hack. I think it has saved some cash which I'm supposed to spend for a complete repair. It works, and I think it's pretty good enough for almost a free repair because I had the glue and everything with me. Thanks for watching. Take care. All the best.